What is the best way for a new business to help grow sales? What is a good way to keep and retain work for off-season? Number one thing I'd be saying, the vast majority of us don't upsell our existing customers enough. Sending a text, an email to your existing customers and offering them a service that is required at that time of year. And doing so in a non-salesy fashion. If you have an email that you have a whole bunch of images and video embed and a banner and a GIF, all this sort of thing, like you can design those inside of Copilot, inside of Homeworks, you can design that. I would not recommend that for a marketing message. I would just do text and I would make it very personalized. Mr. Jones, crew was at your property today and realized you might need a property cleanup. We get busy here pretty soon. Would you like me to go ahead and get you an estimate tomorrow so we can get that on the schedule and beat the rush? That will get responded to much more than $99, buy today, first 10 spots, blah, blah, blah. Like, yes, you'll get some responses to that. You'll get more responses to the personal email, i.e. text messages from Copilot. Absolutely, 100%. So I would start there first. If you're not exhausting that, there's no reason to spend money on marketing. Like if you're not selling more to the people who've already bought from you, why go after new customers?